Yeah, so you just mentioned the Concord Review. The Concord Review has been running for 35 years. Among the submissions you've received, what percentage would you say come from international students?
I don't have a count, an accurate count for you, but as I say, we published essays from 45 countries. We just published an essay from Dubai and another one from New Zealand, and but the problem, one of the problems with answering that question is we get essays from students in school abroad, but we also get essays from foreign students in the United States. So Chinese students studying at Andover, Exeter, Groton, and so on
Mhm.
send us papers. Now they're actually foreign students; they just happen to be going to school in the United States. So I would say it's approaching 50% when you include those students who are studying in the United States, but they're really foreign students.
Yeah, wow, that's pretty impressive. Like 50%, that, that's a lot. And I
Yeah.
was actually quite surprised when I read an issue and just judging by the authors' names, I would say about half of the authors who got published, they look like minority students or international students, and that's just quite impressive. And how would you comment on the quality of their works?
Well, and I should say most of these international students are from East Asia, although we're beginning to get essays from South Asia as well. But the quality is, again, is astonishing. Now, every now and then, a foreign student will make a small mistake in English, but we're very happy to work with that. But the quality of the research, the quality of the argument, the quality of the narrative, those are all outstanding from foreign students. I sent you a letter by a student from Singapore who was told by his Cambridge curriculum that he should limit his papers to 2,000 words. And he said that was fine, but the paper he wanted to write was going to be 20,000 words. So we published that.
Wow.
So students are going above and beyond. As I say, they're meeting their own standards, uh, including seeing the work of their peers and wanting to compete with that. So the work is really amazing. That it very very little problem with. In fact, I would say there are no more problems with English in foreign students than there are in American students.
Wow. Really? Wow, that's quite incredible. Yeah, so I think that really helped that will really help alleviate a lot of concerns and worries of international students and parents because in recent years I've seen a growth in my students' interests in participating in maths and science competitions internationally, but not so much with history or other humanities subjects. So according to my survey, one big reason is that they feel the pressure to write in perfect English, and they know they cannot write in flowery or florid language like native speakers can. So you don't see that as a problem.
No, and we're not interested in flowery language anyway. We just want straightforward narrative, explaining what they've learned and what they want other people to know about the historical topic.